Hello, I'm Rob.
And I'm Matt. We are here from Healthe to share the unboxing and setup of our Healthe solutions.
Our mission at Healthy Lighting is to provide a safer, more productive, and healthier environment for all.
This is a demo of how to install and use your Healthe Suntrac system with Sunlync, which brings convenience and simplicity to biological lighting. The Sunlync is a product that allows you to sync all of your Suntrac products to the local environment. When the Sunlync is up and running, all of your Suntrac products have the ability to change their circadian spectrums throughout the day, in accordance with the changing of the sun. The Sunlync is the best way for you to simply plug in your Suntrac products and have them just work. Let's set up the Sunlync. To turn on the Sunlync, press and hold the button until the button color changes from red to green. This will take about 5 seconds. The Sunlync now flashes a green light every 3 seconds, indicating that it is looking for a GPS signal. Go near a window or outside and wait for the Sunlync to emit a solid green light for 5 seconds. Note, this could take a few minutes. Once the signal has been found, it is recommended to plug in your Sunlync near a window with the provided adapter. At this point, your Sunlync can stay out of sight as it is ready to work with all of your Suntrac products. Your Healthe Suntrac with Sunlync is ready for use. Now you have healthy circadian lighting, which can help you to regulate your internal clock, boost performance, and enhance sleep.